Alright, here's going to be a cold start for y'all. After I've gotten it running pretty well, so. And we're going to go for a ride. Yesterday I lost the side panel on here. I'm really pissed off. I don't know if it happened on a ride or when I was at a park for a while and somebody stole it, but I don't have it. No way. Wow, I didn't realize I didn't even pull out the choke and it was running that well. Freaking awesome. So, believe it or not, this is a December day. It's like the middle of December. I think it's the 19th or 20th today in Minnesota. This is completely unusual. There's like no snow to be found pretty much. There was snow, but it all melted. That's why I'm able to be out on the bike right now, because it's not miserably cold and I don't know, the roads are good, so. And I love it. I hate snow, I hate cold, I hate cloudiness. And right now we got sunshine and, well, for December it's not cold. And I can ride my freaking bike in the middle of winter, so I'm super excited about that. I'm also super pumped, I don't know. I already said it like 2 seconds ago, but it's exciting that I just got this thing running without the choke on. My other bike that's mine for good, I have to have the choke run for at least like half a minute or something. Oh, that was a terrible turn. Oops. But yeah, this is great. It's running super well. I had an issue with this right here. This hose goes up to the gas tank, and it was without the gas tank there, the hose was open and it was causing a vacuum leak pretty much, and so I just put a screw inside of it and it stopped the motor from hiccuping or whatever it was doing. It really was making it run not so hot. I feel like I got the carb adjusted pretty well, the idle adjusted pretty well. I just tried my second round of electrolysis with my gas tank last night, and it turns out there's frickin' holes in it, so I gotta repair those, which requires a ton more work than I was planning on doing. So that's how it goes sometimes. And so I gotta figure out how to replace that panel. But after I get that stuff done, it's just, you know, the tank will be ready once I finish it, and then get the front forks resealed. So there's actually pressure in them, and then the bike's pretty much ready. Let's see if it'll idle. I think I have it adjusted too low. Listen to that. Oh, it sounds so nice. Oh, not quit on me. Shit. Shoot. Fucking A, man. There's some acceleration for you. Woo, I'm cold. 65 uphill, oh yeah. This thing is very rideable. As much as everything's being a pain in the butt, I'm also pretty excited with the results. The progress, I should say. Alright, let's see what it does. Something needs adjustment, I feel like, because now that it's warmed up, the idle's way higher. I mean, I guess it's pretty normal, but I'll have to look into things. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. I'm just not good at talking about what I know. Alright, thanks for watching.